Hello, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Robyn and I do sewing and crafting tutorials, but today is Friday Sews, where we share a little bit about sewing and a little bit about life. Let's get started. This week I've been filming a tutorial video on how to make this skateboard stuffie. I'm still in the process of editing this video, so this tutorial will be coming soon on my channel. I will also have a link in my description box on that video on if you want to purchase the pattern I made for this. Because I made this for my grandson 3 years ago, and when I wanted to make him a skateboard stuffie, I couldn't find a pattern anywhere. And my son loves skateboarding, so I thought it would be so cute to have a skateboard stuffie for my grandson. So I just sat down and made my own pattern. And this one I just made for this video. This is for my new granddaughter that was just born. And my son wanted it to be just like his son's, and I made it with a fabric that made it look like an authentic skateboard. So this fabric looks kind of like the grip tape, and then it had this wood fabric I found, and this metal fabric. Isn't that cool? But it's fabric, it looks like metal. And this black fabric has like a texture to it that kind of looks like wheels that have been rolling around on the cement. So, and then I put my son's logo on the bottom and my granddaughter's name. So if you want to learn how to make a skateboard stuffie, this video will be coming soon. I finished making the t-shirt and onesie I told y'all about last time for my grandson. Player 2, I used my Cricut just to put the Player 2 on there. And then my son, he has a black shirt that says Player 1. And then my grandson, he's 3, he'll be wearing this that says Player 2. And then my new granddaughter that was just born, she'll be laying like this on my son, and she'll have Player 3 on the back of her onesie. And then I just put it on the front just for fun, so you can see Player 3 also. That's in, this is because of a movie that my son loved called Ready Player One. And so he has all his kids with him playing video games. So it's gonna make a really cute photo when we get there to Texas. I can't wait. We got another, like a little over a week and a half more before I get to go see my granddaughter and hold her finally for the very first time. I'm so excited. I can't wait to go to Texas and see them. I miss them so much. A few weeks ago, I was watching Andrew Make's channel, and she was showing a haul of patterns she got at a thrift store. And I saw this one on her channel, and I fell in love with this pink dress. This is a McCalls 8755 from 1967. And I just had to have this. I found this pattern on Etsy, and I am going to try to make this pink dress hopefully this summer. I'll see if I can find time to do this because I have so many other videos planned too. But I looked like this was a box pleat right here, but it's not. When I opened the pattern, this is like a triangular shaped piece. That's a totally separate piece of fabric that gets sewn to this and this. So, but I just fell in love with this dress. And here's the line drawings. I just love a lot of the retro things from the 70s and 60s. They're so cute. So that will be coming up in the future. So thank you, Andrew, for this idea. I just love this pink dress. I can't wait to have time to make it. And another exciting thing happened just 2 days ago. I reached over 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you, everybody. Thank you for subscribing and for watching all my videos and for commenting. I just love reading all your comments. I just love our sewing community and the people I've met and made friends through this YouTube channel. It's amazing. So thank you. I'm so excited. I still need more hours watched because I need about another 1,800 hours watched, because YouTube doesn't monetize your channel until you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours. So I still need like 1,800 more hours, which I know I'm going to get because I'm getting more and more subscribers. I'm now up to, I think, 1,005. So thank you to everybody that's joined me and on this journey and that is enjoying my videos. I am so excited, and I just love doing this. I love sharing my love of sewing and crafts with all of you. So I just thank you guys so much. And if you enjoy my videos, check out this video right here. I think you'll like it. Thanks for joining me today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.